Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a slider in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where you want to add the slider. From the Elements panel, drag and drop a new slider component onto your canvas. This will give you a basic slider structure to begin with. You can then adjust its initial dimensions and add more slides as needed for your content. Once your slider is on the canvas, select it and open the Slider Settings panel. Here, you can configure essential behaviors like autoplay, setting a duration of around 3-5 seconds between slides. Decide if you want navigation arrows and dots to allow users to manually browse. These settings are crucial for a smooth user experience. Now, let's make your slider visually appealing. Select each individual slide to add your content, whether it's a background image, text, or call-to-action buttons. Use Webflow's styling options to customize fonts, colors, and spacing. You can also apply subtle animations to elements within each slide for a more engaging and professional presentation. For advanced users, explore custom interactions to create unique slide transitions or effects when a user interacts with the slider. Always remember to check your slider's responsiveness across various screen sizes, from desktop to mobile, ensuring a flawless experience for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.